Alright, on to our next adventure for this Sunday. We are going to check out some land south of Albuquerque that my great-grandma had purchased. And we're gonna go see what it's all about. So this is the road into the Rio Grande Estates, Stir Road. These are your estates over here on the right. It's a little questionable. We're not 100% sure where the lot is still. We're starting to feel like it might not actually be in this neighborhood, but it's like instead just part of this like big open land. Well, we just stopped for dinner at Andale Restaurant, which was really good.
I've been craving a saucy Rito, so.
Cue this footage of our food. Yeah, really good. We're only 43 minutes from Mexico right now, so
To be expected, I guess.
they're gonna have good burritos. Well, it's Monday. We just finished working at a Starbucks here in Las Cruces, and we're going to go to a custard place that we passed yesterday because it looked really good. And we just fixed our Max Air fan, possibly. We just spent like an hour in the Lowe's parking lot. Not sure if it's actually fixed or not, but we're gonna find that out after we eat ice cream because everyone needs a little, you know, like attitude adjustment. Which is really beautiful on the side of this mountain. We're actually eating a healthy meal, which is a rare case, I would say, in the life of Katie and Bryce.
True that.
Sometimes you just gotta do it. Beautiful spot in New Mexico here to enjoy some chicken and veggies. Whew, getting a run in today in beautiful Las Cruces, New Mexico. It's really amazing here. You can see the skyline of the city way out there in the distance. And I'm running up towards Baylor Mountain right now. Pretty steep going up, but it's been fun. Hi, Bryce.
Hello.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, we are in Las Cruces, New Mexico still, and it's Friday after work, so we're gonna kick off our awesome weekend of exploring. Are you excited to explore?
Yeah, obviously they have ice cream.
Yeah, well, we haven't had dinner yet. So we just checked out the Mesilla Plaza, which is pretty cool. There's some nice shops down here, cool places to check out. Now we're gonna go to a restaurant because we're really hungry, and
as always,
it's called La Nueva Casita, and it has really good reviews online. And
we're hoping they got saucy Ritos,
which is what Bryce calls a burrito covered in salsa. Good morning, Bryce Brill.
Good morning.
It's Saturday, everybody. We are making cinnamon rolls, but it's not in a typical location for us. I'd say that's for sure.
Yeah, it's near a missile zone.
Oh, it's actually in a high school parking lot.
Yeah, near a missile zone.
We have a bit of a surprise because this was a surprise for us, and so we're really excited about it. there's this place in New Mexico called the Trinity Site, and it's only open to the public 2 days a year. And one of the days happened to be today. And we happen to only be an hour away. So this was really exciting. We are currently in line to be a part of the caravan to go and see this site. And we're really excited to take y'all with us.
Yeah.
But while we wait, we're going to have some breakfast. All right, y'all, we got the goods. Way to go, Bryce.
Thanks.
You really crushed that this morning. It's happening, everybody. Things are moving. Are you ready? You're gonna caravan.
Oh gosh.
Guys, we're at the front of the line, so that's pretty cool. But we're at the front of the second line.
We should really be in back, because I'm gonna have to take these turns a little slow.
It'll be fine. No one's gonna be speeding. All right, so we're driving through right now. It's pretty cool here. There's lots of like deserty mountain areas that we'll be able to show you guys once we like get out of the van. But I kid you not, I don't know if you guys know this, but I went to Africa like, I don't know, 7 years ago. And I went on a safari with my good friend Adina. Shout out Adina. And we're literally driving along, and I just look and I'm like, is that an oryx? There's a straight up African oryx here just hanging out. So I googled it, and apparently they just released a bunch of African oryx here for hunters to have like more big game options to hunt. Now there's just a population of African oryx that live here in the Missile Range in White Sands. So that was pretty crazy.
Well, we made it.
We did.
We've officially arrived.
Alamogordo.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here checking it out. Pretty cool that it's only open 2 days a year to the public. Okay, Bryce, what'd you learn so far?
Wow. This obelisk or whatever it's called is ground zero, and Trinitite is what happened when what they termed the sand that got melted from the blast, which basically made this like emerald green glass.
Because of the heat mixed with the sand.
Yeah, but most of it they took out. But it didn't cause a big crater because they detonated it 100 feet up, so there was an air cushion that allowed it to not crater.
They had a big tower, and they put it at the top of the tower.
Yeah, the tower got vaporized. However, it did cause a compression about 8 feet deep and 100 feet, or 100 yards wide. Big one.
So this is one of the posts that's left over from the tower. It was buried underground, so it didn't get vaporized like the rest of the tower. We found some trinite. It's kind of insane that that just got created when the bomb exploded because of the sand and the heat. It's amazing. It's really pretty.
The amount of radiation in this inner fence area, like ground zero, is you get like 1 mega something, whatever it's called, per hour. Compared to if you were like flying a jet, you would get roughly 3 to 5 times that in an hour flight.
So we're okay?
I think we're alright.
Bryce is finding a ton of this trinite. So if only he was this lucky when we were at Crater of Diamonds digging for diamonds, I think we'd be in a lot better shape right now. So this is a post-World War II atomic bomb casing. They told us that you could pick up the trinite, so now Bryce is picking them up.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool. So green.
All right, we're at our next stop for this beautiful Saturday, and we are pulling in to White Sands National Park. This is supposed to be a good one, so pretty excited to check it out.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
What are you doing?
We bought some wax from the dollar store, which was $1.25, so don't know what that's about. But I'm waxing the sled, and then we're gonna sled down the sand.
Hopefully we're gonna speed on down. What do you think, Bryce?
I think so.
Well, are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're going to find a very cool spot that's steep enough that Bryce thinks it'll be good to sled down. He wants to go big for the first sledding. Bryce is going to take the lead for us here and be the first one to sled down this dune.
Face first. Pick the feet up.
You're going to go face first?
Give myself a little running start.
Yeah, okay, don't knock out another tooth. It was the tooth thing that got him.
Huh?
Nothing. Alright, show us how it's done, Bryce. It didn't work. There you go. Get some momentum. Oh, you got some speed.
That was good.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Should I do it?
Alright, Katie's turn.
Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous. I haven't sledded in a really long time.
You really gotta lean back, and I'd maybe go a little sideways, to be honest.
What is that?
Like go like, so one of your hands is more like in front, so you can hold up the front of it. Is your hand in the middle of your legs?
I thought you said because it's in front.
Yeah, it turns sideways. Lean back and pull up the front. Oh my gosh. You turn backwards. Well, Katie wanted us to...
Me? Bryce is going for the big one.
Look at that one right there. That thing's about to be so steep.
You want to go down and point to the steepest one you can see in the distance.
We're here. We're gonna go down the... We're gonna send it.
Alright, Bryce, show us how it's done.
Yeah, I will conquer this hill. Yeah!
Now you just gotta climb back up.
Yeah, that is where it goes.
Are you having fun?
I am sweating.
You can tell Bryce is having fun here, just by his face.
Real sandy, I can feel it.
It's literally covered in sand. But you're having a good time.
That we are.
That's what it's all about.
Not good.
Well, we're ready to enjoy our sunset here at White Sands before we head on to our next destination. That's a wrap on the sand dunes. This guy's pretty amazing right now. I feel like I'm on a tropical beach vacation.
For real. There's no water.
Well, we're on the road again. We are headed southbound again, which